Imagine standing in a bustling 18th century market, where seeds of a new nation are just starting to sprout. Now, picture the tension in the room as brave souls sign the Declaration, declaring freedom against all odds. It's 1787. Feel the excitement as delegates hammer out the Constitution, laying the groundwork for a new government. Fast forward. The Bill of Rights emerges, ensuring basic freedoms while the first presidential election changes the game. But wait, war looms. The Civil War threatens the nation, testing what this government truly stands for. Post-war, the Reconstruction era begins. Will unity triumph over division? Women are rising. Suffragettes fight passionately for the right to vote, power in every step. Sudden change. The stock market crash of 1929 plunges America into a depression, testing resilience. Here comes the New Deal, a lifeline for many, redefining the role of government in citizens' lives. War rages on. U.S. involvement in World War II showcases sacrifice and unity on an unprecedented scale. After the war, a boom. New tech and suburban lifestyles redefine the American dream. But the fight isn't over. The civil rights movement ignites passion and change, demanding equality for all. Zoom forward. The moon landing and the internet revolutionize life and government interaction. And then, modern issues arise. Climate change and technology reshape governance and society's needs. Today, you're part of the story. Movements rise, voices amplify. Will your actions define the future? Your vote matters. As elections approach, it's a pivotal moment to shape the government you want. Diversity is strength. Leaders across the spectrum guide the dialogue on democracy today. Change starts at home. Community efforts show that government is more than just policy, it's about people. Together, we stand diverse and united. Celebrate what makes America unique, its people and governance. As we look ahead, remember, the future is yours to shape. Engage, influence, and be part of this journey.